So welcome back to Python tutorial, and in this module we are going to be basically talking about dates in Python. Just go ahead and dive right in. I think we have actually moved the Python folder to the Python series itself. Let's open with Visual Studio Code. Let's wait for a sec, please. Dun, 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 dun. Visual Studio Code. Right, that's it. For a sec, please. Okay, to really like this really works. The first thing we do is what's this? We create a sorry, we create a new file here. We call it dates.py. So date.py like that. Alright. Then let's open the terminal. Okay. So the terminal is on now. Don't So putting the shebang like now bin slash python 3, and we can just to actually create date in Python, we just need to import the module name dates itself, and then we can just say today is equals to date dot date time dot date time, I think dot now, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's how it should be. Then we can just go ahead and print today. Sorry, that's bad. Today. Let's see what we are up to from here. We'll come visualize the Python 3. Possibly the personally dates.py, I guess. I was mistaken. That was okay. I think it's date time. Yeah, import date time. Yeah, this date time. Then it should be date time. Okay, then let's fire this up again and see. The date time has no attribute date time. Oh, this is 3 nested date time. That's bad. Yeah, it should be like this. Alright, so this actually return the current date according to my system, and you can see I'm having it 9:10 a.m. and this is actually a very long time. It's not really something to work with. Alright, so what I want to show you with date is that we can also format the date. So for example, maybe we just want the year, or possibly we only want the month to show up. You can just say date dot string format time, so str format time. Then we can put the format that we want here. So obviously I don't know, I'm actually typing in the dark again. Okay, so right from here, what I can just pull in that, we can just pull in the what's it called, we can just basically use the the percent sign followed by any kind of format that we want to give. So let's just give a first and see what we have. So once we use the a is going to give us the days in the week. So this is Friday. I think the date is correct, but the time is not actually correct. Sorry, today is even Thursday, not Friday. All right. So and let's say we want year, we just use y to pull out the year, and you can see we are having 2021 here. If we are actually looking for us to have hours or hour, we can just put it like, you can see you pull out the hour. And if you are looking for the this in number instead of being Friday, we can put it like this. And sorry, the month rather, it's pull out B, then we can use capital letter B. Sorry, that's bytes. D I think is another kind of byte. Let's see, I think there's something like that. All right, so the D actually brings out the dates in a kind of format. So I just wanted to know that there are a couple of kind of formats that we can do with dates, and it's really very essential. All right, let's go ahead. How can we create our own dates? We can just say, okay, my own personal date is equals to date time dot date time, I think so, and then we can say the year is 2021, and the month is April, that's 4, and today is I don't even know the date. I'll just put 22. If I get it there, we can just go ahead and say print my date. So let's just comment this out for a sec. All right, so due to the date that we've just been able to create it, we've actually been able to pull out our own personal date, I mean, to set our dates ourselves. And another thing I've not actually show you, the today actually comes with an object. Let's go ahead and print that out. You can say print um dir of today. That's the, I mean, the first date I just created right here. Okay, let's run this Python 3, and you can see it actually comes up with a lot of objects right here. And part of the object it's come up with is the hour, the dates, the day, and the microseconds, the minutes, the months, and the now, and all stuff like that. So we can just go ahead and say, since we actually want it, we can just say an f string today is then followed by the parentheses. You can say today dot let's just say, do I have today dot today, today dot today. Okay, then we can say the time is then followed by the parentheses again, today dot hour come first, hours, then we can separate it with this, then also open it again. You can say today dot minutes, I think so, then again separate it. You can just say, sorry, today dot seconds, I think there we have seconds there. We can just say, yeah, we have second. All right, let's go ahead and just run this code again. All right, so it said today is built-in method object blah blah blah, and today is 9 something something something. So I think the space is actually too much. Supposed to bring them all together, and I should have just pull out the day instead of pulling today itself. So let's see if we have the day itself. So this is how this is, yeah, we have the day. So the today is actually an object, so you can't just say today just day like that. Let me clear this off again. All right, run it again. So you see now we have it in a very formal form. So today is a, and the time is actually this. I don't want this 9 there, I just want something really meaningful. Okay, since I have created it, I can just say today dot xtrf time. So I can just go ahead and format the time like that. So I think we should be able to pull out the what's called the accurate day itself. So I think if I still remember the formats to pull out the accurate day itself. Oh Jesus, what do I do? What's that? Let's say did the what's the issue with it? Today dot f time, then followed by these parentheses. Do I break any rules here? Sorry, I can't use the today because I've actually do the dot now, so it should just be my date. I actually want to use it to the update. Wait, I can just do like datetime dot str. Okay, sorry, I need to call it string format. I think I should have used my date instead of two dates. There. All right, let's just leave it for sake. let's just leave it for a sec like that. But what I'm actually trying to do, because I've actually used today dot now, I'm unable to pull out the string objects out from it like we did the other time. But let's see if I can actually try to do today the string format. Okay, let's see. So I'll just pack it right there, a, then I can just call it d then. All right, let's put it inside this day. Is that even the I pull out? Okay, yeah, I did it. The day is, not the time is high. Okay, the day is Friday, and I can just say, and the time is hey. I got this right now. All right, so you can see this is actually what I want to achieve. The day is Friday and the time is like there, and then pull out the present time like that. So that is how we can just go ahead and embed it with Python. I'm looking for something. Let's see, today dot something again. If we can get, what's it called, anti-meridian, do we have anything like that? We only have the ASCII time, the tin time, and so on and so forth. If I could remember, what's even the format to get the anti-meridian? Let me print this out. Is it today dot xtr format? I think, sorry, if it's not that, it should be a doesn't really look proper. Let's see if it's not broken. Where it actually gets it in a way. What of I? It gets the shorter version. What of I? I is I. uh, is there any way? That's no it. Okay, I think I have a reference I'm going to show you, which is going to be last. Um, the reference I can give for better, like what's it called, for forward study of this is, I think I have an offline version of W3 School, which can just go to Python. I think date is somewhere here, and okay, and these are how the list of the what's called the format that is very important. As you can see, A is week in a short from a full what's called version of week, and W is there, D is there, B is there, M is there, J is actually there, then this actually pull out this, the local time. You can see all this kind of format, so it's very important to just look at it and look at what it actually fits for what you are doing, and then make use of it. No, you don't need to stress yourself, just know the ones that are actually useful. All right, thank you. This is going to be the end of date time, and see you in the next tutorial, please.